How to fix Walmart seller application decline. Now, this does sometimes happen, unfortunately. So, it can be frustrating, but many sellers succeed after facing issues and reapplying. So, it isn't really something technically on fixing, but it's about trying again and just going ahead and reapplying. So, the key is understanding what went wrong and why Walmart rejected your application and correcting those problems. So, of course, you're gonna have to review the rejection email carefully. So, the common reasons, like these over here, but you can check those common reasons for rejection. So, if it's either of this, you should be able to see the correlated fix or what you're going to do to be able to fix that specific category. Like, for example, you got banking details wrong, so you gotta make sure your bank account must be in your legal business name, or as long as it's pretty much alright. But the next step for checking the common reasons, you can correct your application details. So make sure your business name, tax ID, and address match across documents. Use a professional business email and prepare reliable product listings. Then you can just contact Walmart seller support. You can submit a ticket under the application issues and appeal decline application. Provide supporting documents as well. Then strengthen your case before reapplying. Build a presence on Amazon and more. Walmart values established track records. Gather positive seller performance metrics and prepare professional documentation. Once you have all of those done, just reapply. Once corrected, reapply through Walmart Marketplace. Double check every field before submitting to avoid mismatches. So again, this is pretty much normal. Isn't too much of a bad thing. Just go ahead and try again, and eventually you should be able to get back to where you were from. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.